shot clock is off. Around the pass to Petesa. Petesa for Jude. Petesa. Aranda Pumersa off the glass. Version number 69, Aranda with a personal gesture. Pueto. Aranda na naman. Si Aranda to Fornolies. No good. Labas there in the play. Pass to Aranda. Yan na, Sabon. Sabon's there in the play. Petesa. 15 to shoot. 2 points for
Ayos lang yan.
Aranda Pumersa, lazy one. No good.
Kaya pa yan.
Petesa.
Kaya pa yan. Kaya tira.
Pass to Palon sa ilalim. 2 points for yun. Ito na si Aranda on the other side. Lazy up. No good. Rebound Petesa. No good pa rin. Rebound Aronga. Fornolies. Pass to Manlapas Pumersa. No good. Rebound niya pa rin. To Petesa for a perimeter shot. No good. To Aranda. Umaarangkada. Tumira. No good. Rebound Palon umikot. Tumalon. And there's a whistle. 2 out of 2 for jersey number Aranda. Aranda on the other side. Nakita si Petesa. Petesa set in the play. Pass to Fornolies. To Palon. Back to Fornolies. What a shot. 2 points. Basket count. Foul committed by jersey number 23. Aronga, it's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw for Fornolies. Ready jumpers. Complete the 3-point play. Petesa points. Fornolies to Aranda. Fakes. Aranda penetrates for 2. No good. Diba ni Palon. Palon umikot. 2 points for Palon. Petesa. Back to Aranda for 3. No good. Sa turnover. Petesa sharing the play. Looking for a pass. Pass to Manlapas. Perimeter jumper. No good. Rebound. Petesa derecho. Pass to Palon. Palon off the glass and there's a whistle. First throw is good. 2 out of 2 fours. Pass to Aranda sa gitna. Off the glass. No good. Rebound. It's a single on. Off the glass. 2 points for Palon. 15 to shoot. Petesa for 3. No good. Still Nigueto. Pero setting the play. Pass to Aballero. To Cuero. Perimeter shot. No good. Up. Pass to Malone na. Petesa. Pass to Palon. Palon. Pumersa. Tumira. No good. Palon pa rin. No good pa rin. Kanya pa rin. 2 points. And that's it for our first quarter. Official score. 26 to 20, 6.25. Blanca, MPS.
Ano mga tirang pinapayaran?
Alam mga PNP.
Penetrates, 6-7 moves, makes it
Ayos na. 16
Oo, oh, ano yan?
Pare, 16 points ka na. Ayos na. Ayos na. Hindi ka
Good rebound ni Pagkaliwangan. Pagkaliwangan. Dire-diretso. Ona, pulwersa.
Isang una.
Tira, there's a whistle.
Hindi daw lalaro.
One of the 2 points. Ona. Fernandez. Pass to Pagkaliwangan for 2. 2 points for Pagkaliwangan. Remaining time. Fifteen to shoot. Pagkaliwangan. Pagkaliwangan penetrates. Pass to Flores. 2 points for Flores. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Shot clock is up. 5. And that is good. 34, 5-point lead by Cuenca, MPS.
Kung si Halin na yan.
Roy for 3. No good.
Special mention.
Pagkaliwangan. Pass to Palong. Palong sa ilalim. Ribali. Suwelo. Tuwaran. Aran. Montes. 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 Teresa. No good.
Hindi.
Pagkaliwangan. Pagkaliwangan. Penetrate. Ribali. Ribali. Masuk. Mali, nakita si Putesa. Off the glass, but no good. Pero Petesa pumersa. 2 points for Petesa. Cornelius. Cornelius penetrates. Zigzagging moves and there's a whistle. Cruz foul Loretta. Foul by second team foul. Substitution.
Balik ang pasok mo kay Kuya Palong yun. Lakas. Open eh.
Cornelius to Aranda off the glass. It's good. And by that, lamang na uli ang PNP. Ito na, Caballero. Caballero na wala ang bola. And it's a turnover. Bola na. Cuenca, MPS. First throw is good for Manlapas.
Rebound! Rebound!
2 out of 2 for Jones. Still na Petesa. Petesa penetrates. Nakuha naman Lapas for 2 points. No good. Aranda on the other side. Aranda ang bumidiskarte. For 3. No good. Rebound ni Caballero. Gonzales. No good rebound ni Aranda. Aranda umikot. Aranda. Rebound ni Gonzales. No good. Rebound ni Cuenca. Looking for his teammates. Nakita si Cornelius sa poste. Cornelius pumersa. Pumersa. And there's a whistle. It's your first personal point. Manlapas no good. Manlapas pa rin. And it's good this time. 2 points. Cornelius. Cornelius nagmamadali. Pass to Petesa. To Cornelius. Cornelius for 2 points. No good. Ribani. Beto to napagandang laban. Ito na si Manlapas on the other side. Penetrates. Lumipad no good. Ribani Cueto. To Arongay. Ito na. Petesa naman ang babaway on the other side. Nakita si Aranda for 2 points. No good. Ribani ni Cornelius. 2 points for Cornelius. Pass to Flores to Aranda sa gitna. No good. Rebound ni Saguna. Flores. Flores pumersa. Lazy Rob. 2 points. 15. Ona. 2 points for Ona. Official score. 71 to 69. 2-point lead by Wabuts. Good, Revanik. Palon pa rin off the glass. It's good. Flores here in the play. Flores penetrates. Tumira. 2 points for Flores. Penetrates. No good. Revanik Palon to the rescue. Palon sumalaksak. Tinira. No good pa rin. Pagkaliwangan to Fornales sa poste. Paso pagkaliwangan to Flores. 2 points for Flores. There's a whistle. It's an offensive foul committed by jersey number 9. Flores. Flores is sure. Ona penetrates. Pass to Fornales. Back to Ona. Ona penetrates. Nugget, rebound niya pa rin. Ona na naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Kabalo, Fornales. 2 points. Pagkaliwangan, pass to Palon, tumalon. 2 points for Palon. 5. Nugget, rebound ni Cueto. Petesa to Flores penetrates. 2 points. Remaining time, 5. Really? Pass to Flores to Ona. Ona to Palon. Palon again sa ilalim. And there's a whistle. Traveling. By Cueto. Ona, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Fornales. Fornales and it's out. Foul. Second team foul. First row. Short.
Lalantira ng tunay ng MVP.
1 out of 2 for Fornales. Flores penetrates. There's a whistle. First row is good. Ready bumpers. From that room, free throws. 15 to shoot. Flores penetrates. There's a run. Foul committed by jersey number 5, Verbal.
Surbol, kuya!
First row.
Surbol! Ay!
Complete the three.
Papesto muna si sir!
Last 1 minute.
15 to shoot. 1 minute and 20. 10. Flores umikot. Flores. Rebound niya pa rin. And there's a whistle.
Putang ina, nakaisang... Si Hal, ulit na hapon!
Very good. Very good. Rebound ni Cueto.
Tapat-tapat! Tapat-tapat na yan!
Verbal. Verbal to Caballero.
Tapat-tapat kayo! Tapat-tapat!
15 to shoot. Caballero for 3. Short. Last 1 minute.
Kuya ka lang! Alis dyan! Pipos ka! Time out pag naagaw!
15 to shoot. Eto na. Time out. Roberts.
PNP 92.
Asian score 92 to 87. 5-point lead by Cuenca FTX. Remaining time 48.3.
Chicharon! Chicharon! Bibigyan kita ng pick up. Kuya kasi.
Pero,
Paper sa mga sa labas! Paper sa yan!
pass to Verbal. Perky.
Wala!
There's a whistle.
Sir Noyes ang leader, buo ang aming samahan. Disiplina at tapang, dala sa bawat laban. Cuenca, MPS, Basketball Boys. Isang koponan, isang puso. Laban kung laban, kampeon hanggang dulo. Hey! 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 Petesa, hari ng tira, swish ang bawat bitaw. Pagalinwangan sa takbuhan, walang makakahabol. O na mataas tumalon, abot hanggang ulap. Sa bawat alley-oop, sigawan ng katapat. Palon hari ng rebound, walang sayang na bola. Malapas sa bilis niya, depensa natutulala. Gonzales, paghawak pa lang ng bola, umiinit na ang court. Bawat galaw niya ay astig, siguradong may puntos.
Kuya, pungaranda, automatic agad. Kahit saan pumuwesto, basket ang kasunod agad.
Basket agad.
Paghawak ang bola, kalaban ay yari na. Ay yari na. Taas kamay ang crowd, panalo na talaga.
Flores, bahala ka nang magbilang sa dami ng puntos. Di na kayang bilangin.